Hey everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. Today's video is a video I've never filmed before, mainly because I've never been able to find this, but it is a Michael's $4 grab bag. Now I have seen this all over YouTube. I've seen Bargain Bethany do it, I've seen Cruisin' with Crystal do it, and it is literally like a mystery box, but you don't have to graveyard girl it and spend $1,000 on it.
I spent $950 on this giant mystery box.
No. It is $4 of off-season stuff that Michael's wants to get rid of. So I managed to get 2 bags. Everything else sort of looked picked over. Not that you can see what's inside because they wrap it up, but from the videos that I have seen, some stores do it in boxes, other stores do it like this. So this is what I got, and I got 2 bags. This was really right in front of me as I was about to pay. I didn't even realize it, but now I know where they have it. This is all they had left, but I was super excited to find it, and now I know for next time. So I'm gonna unwrap them and see all the goodies that are hopefully in here. Hopefully it's not broken stuff. Fingers crossed. So let's go ahead and get to opening. So they actually made a knot, so I hate to do this, but I'm gonna have to rip it open. Alright, so already I can tell that I have Valentine's Day stuff in here. Oh yeah, definitely. So, the first thing, oh, I thought this was Christmas. So it is Valentine's Day little heart ornaments, Valentine's Day. They're originally $5 and it brings 8 pieces. So I don't know if you can see it, but it's cute little hearts. So that's not too bad. I'm not unhappy with that. I can definitely use this in a craft next year or for wedding crafts if I plan on doing them later on. I would never pay $5 for this, especially when Dollar Tree has ornaments for $1. They don't have heart-shaped ones, but they have ornaments for $1. So the second thing is a Valentine's Day rocket ship. I don't know what this is. I don't know if this is, oh, okay. It takes 100 minutes, scissors needed. Okay, so it's like a little thing that you put together. This is probably for kids. And it's a little rocket ship with kitty cats. So if you love cats, this is kind of cool. Let's see if it has the price. Oh, so this is originally $10. So yeah, this is pretty cool. I will probably not be using it. Maybe I'll give it away next year for Valentine's. But at least I know I have this in my stash. So let's move on to the next item. I got this $3 little sticker thing, and it says to and from, and it's a bunch of kitty cats. It says Smitten Kitten. So I think you're just supposed to gift this. I don't know if this is something that you put all over a gift, but since it says to and from, I'm assuming you just give this away. So $3. I don't know how many items are in here. Let's move on. Yes. I've got 9-foot Tinsel Garland. How much is this? This is $6. I didn't expect this to be really expensive, but I can definitely use this for Christmas as well. And their Tinsel Garland, even when it goes on sale, I never really think that it's worth the $6, $7 because this is all stuff that you can get at the dollar store. Sorry for all the noise in the background. I have to have my window open today because yeah, it's hot. It's cold, but it's hot. And then I got 2 more of those little sticker things that say to and from. This one has a tiger, and this one is a cute little cactus, however you wanna. It's only one cactus, just one cactus. And then a bunch of other little things that say never give up. There's a little banana, a lemon, super cute. So I'll probably be giving these to my daughter just to stick all over my house, and I'm gonna regret it later, but it'll keep her entertained. So that is the content of one bag. So for $4, I got 3 sticker packs, 1 garland, some weird thing, and ornaments. Will I be using all of it? Definitely this and the garland. So not too bad. Let's go ahead and open the other bag. Same thing, they tied it really tight because they don't want people to go ahead and start ripping things apart and selecting what they're gonna get for $4. But I kind of have a feeling that it's gonna be close to the same stuff. Yeah. So this one doesn't look like it has a ton of stuff. I have a Valentine's box with an eye on it. Mailbox. Okay. So for $3, I would have bought this, which I never would have spent that money, but now I can use this to put my trinkets and stuff. It is a nice sturdy box. Like I said, I would never pay $3 for this, or however much it goes on sale for. Well, maybe $1.50. This is a pretty nice size. I don't really understand the eye. I guess they have different monogram ones, and I just got lucky and got eye. A quick update, this is actually not a monogram box. I didn't realize that this was a hole. So this is exactly what it says it is a letter box. So you're supposed to put this here and put your letters in. This would make a really good suggestion box after the holidays, of course. Or if you're having a quinces, you can always like decorate this really nice. So I guess you can totally get great use out of this. I was totally wrong. So we also have more tinsel garland, so I guess next year my house is going to be tinseled out. It's a whole lot of tinsel. But this one is totally different than the other one, so that makes me happy that I bought 2 different bags and it wasn't the exact same contents, even though it was kind of the same stuff. This one has the cute little pink hearts in between, and this one is just red. So to put them together, you actually make one massive wreath, and that's pretty nice. This one also has red ornaments, so it does go hand in hand. They are $5 and 8 pieces as well. So I'm thinking what I can do is grab these hearts, grab my tinsel, and make them into one giant Valentine's wreath that I can place on my staircase next year. Or if I really want to make a Valentine's Day Christmas tree, I could do that as well. Not bad at all. I'm not thrilled with it because I'm not a big Valentine's Day decorator, but if I do plan on using this for Christmas, I can definitely get some really great use out of it. Okay, so I feel a little ripped off because this one didn't have as many things. And the last item is this little piñata. I don't even think this is a piñata. What is it? Yes, it is a piñata. So where do I insert my stuff? Oh, okay, I found it. So it's got a little thing right here, but it doesn't have any string or anything, so I guess you're just gonna have to rip it apart or beat the crap out of it. Either way, I can use this. This is originally $4. I would never pay $4 for this. Why is Michael's... I don't know if I'm the only one, but I've always said it. Michael's is the kind of store that prices things really high so that when they finally go on sale, people have to jump on the outrageous prices thinking that it's a bargain when it's really not. So $4 for a little thing with tinsel on it? I can't. I really can't. But it was part of this $4 grab bag, so yeah, I guess I have a ton of Valentine's Day decor. I was really hoping that it was going to be a mix of everything all around the store. I've seen people receive craft material and stuff that isn't exactly seasonal, but my store happened to just do seasonal, so at least I am locked and loaded for Valentine's Day. So that's it for me. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. This was definitely fun. It was like a little Easter egg, but with a bunch of stuff that I'm gonna have to figure out how to use or give away later on. So let me know below if you guys have picked up $4 grab bags. Let me know below if it's always just seasonal, if you've gotten craft supplies. To my understanding, I thought I was just gonna get a bunch of craft supplies that didn't sell, and I was really excited for that. But I'm not gonna be ungrateful. I will get use out of this somehow. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys so much, and I will see you on the next one.